Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Blood Strike Skin Guide. So here's a step-by-step guide for you, for the new players who's trying to figure out how to do the skins, how to put on the skins or what's so not. And here we'll teach you. And if you're wondering why is my account a girl, it's because me and my girlfriend just switched accounts. So here's my real account. There you go. This is her account. So yeah. So um, after all of that said, now we're gonna get right into it. So here we can, as you can see right here, weapons and loadout. So weapons and loadout right here. Here are all the weapons right here that you can add, and here's the appearance for the weapons. As you can see right here, here are all the weapons appearance that you can add on. There you go, color and all of that stuff. So that one, equip. Just click on equip. You can add some bodies right here and some stickers right here. There you go, as you can see right there. So yeah, you can do that, and you can obtain them by just doing that. So yeah, there you go. That's how you do it for the guns, and that includes all with the guns. It also works on the bow. Just go to appearance, and then just go right here and there. Then you go right here. Now you can change the color of your bow. There, equip that. Then equip the cat, or maybe equip that. So there you go, guys. So yeah, that's how you do it. And here, right here, collection room. Here at the collection room, see all the collection you obtain. There you go. Here, collaborations, other stuff. There, path of evolutions right here. These are the first few skins. As you see, you click on draw. Once you go click on draw, you will be located right here. Right here are all the other skins that you can acquire for gold. There, as you can see right now, gold, 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 gold. You need to buy them with gold. There you go, right here. Let's see. The purchase word. There you go. We have there's a free one right there. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. There you go. So yeah. Now we're just gonna come back. Now here at our loadout. This for the section when you want to change your loadout. So here, like loadout, it's like codem or something like that. You can upgrade your weapons, like for example, modify your weapons, and then when you're in the game, you can choose that weapon of your liking. And then yeah, that's about it. And here it's strikers right here. You change the skin of a striker. Let's say you want to change Ethan or Hank or Spike. Say Spike right here. Click on skin, and if you have a skin on Spike, just click on use. Just equip it. You just need to equip it. But right now we don't have a skin for either of them, so we can't equip it. There you go. Let's say Ethan right here, skin. There you go. We have a skin right here. Just click on equip on Ethan. As you can see right now, he has now a new skin. There you go. So now when we go back and we choose on Ethan right here, and skin, and equip. Once equipped, go back. Then skin right here. So you can see, it just bugs a little bit, but yeah, that's how you equip it. As you see, equipped. There you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. That's about it. That's about all of it you could do. And oh, before I go, if you don't know how to where to buy stuff, you can just go right here, mall. Gotcha, right here. Just go mall. Here are all the stuff you can buy. Good sale, season points, right here. Recommended right here, and daily specials right here. Skins. There you go for all. They go, and some of them don't need to buy with gold. Some of them only you can use your R right here, your reputation. Let me see. Let me see. There we go. We have, it's not a reputation, but it's a noble coin. So you can use to buy it for noble coin for 7,000 noble coins. As you can see right there. There you go. As you see right there. There you go. There we go. We have this one right here, the common one. We can purchase for our reputation right here. We'll get 14,000, and this one is only 2,000. And if you want to purchase all the pack for the AK and for the every guns right here, you can purchase all. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. And here are the others. Here's where you can unlock your strikers as well if you want. Say you want a new striker. Here's you can unlock them. We can unlock them with reputations or with gold. But I suggest if you're just starting out, I suggest just using reputations and don't use gold. Just keep on grinding, playing the game, and eventually you get all the heroes right here. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.